My placement so far has been fantastic. I work as a developer, but on other projects like postgraduate applications, I work as a tester. Switch of roles and the different projects of which I'm part of can vary in size. Some can be related to the admissions process, others related to generating feedback from the university's well-established community.
Our placement students play a critical role in our team. The work that they do is basically equivalent to a full-time job, so they're integral to our team and the success that our team brings.
Working at Queen's was like a natural progression from my amazing experiences as a student and placement worker. Queen's has supported me in every step of the way, from CV preparation to interview guidance, ensuring I was ready to secure the job.
A typical day at my placement will involve attending the daily stand-up with the rest of the team. This is then usually followed by a QA stand-up for any of the major projects we are a part of. We address here any questions or issues that we are having with the current work of which or tickets that we are a part of. I also attend staff football once a week, which has also helped bring the staff, I think, closer together at Queen's.
As an international worker, I sometimes need more time to fully understand my task, but my colleagues have always been so supportive and understanding.
Many of our placement students at Queen's go on to apply for full-time roles, and many are successful in getting those roles as well. It's a testament to the quality of their education and what they've learned on the courses, and we're always thrilled to see them come back to us, our team.
Reflecting my time on Queen's, I strongly recommend it to any students who are currently seeking for placement or their first job after graduation. The supportive environment and opportunities for growth make it an excellent place to start a career.
For anyone studying or thinking of studying software engineering or computing, I would highly recommend Queen's. It has such a strong focus on employability and different opportunities for students, like placements.
For any student considering Queen's, I can say confidently that our students are some of the best prepared for the workplace. Whether through placements or full-time roles, Queen's students consistently stand out and deliver results. If you're thinking about placement opportunities, we welcome you to apply.